So this is new. Okay, let's start over. New York. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying for the first time ever is Falscara. And this is like mascara, and then you put on the eyelashes, and I've always sucked at putting on eyelashes. It takes me so long to do this. Excuse my dog. It takes me so long to put on strip lash, and the individual lashes, they take some time. It's not something that you can do on the go every day. So I really wanted to try this out because, I don't know, I've been really wanting to experiment more with lashes. So this is supposed to be, you put on the mascara, and then you put them on. They're supposed to, it's like mascara and glue. And then after you put them on, you seal it. So I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna try this out, and you guys are gonna see for the first time. I haven't even opened it. And this little kit comes with the pieces of the eyelash. There's a mascara wand, so one side is to bond, and then the next side is to seal. So I'm assuming the first one you put on first, put the lashes on, and then you seal everything together. And then it comes with a little what is that thing called? An applicator. So it comes with a little applicator. So yeah, so this one is the Kiss Falscara Wisps. The Wisps. And then I also got this, which is the remover. So I got the remover because I was a little bit afraid of how I would take this off, because you're gluing this technically to your lashes underneath. So I wanted to make sure that I had the right thing to take it off so I don't ruin my natural lashes. Okay, so this claims to have no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. If you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be taking these out. Let's see. I'm so scared. I'm not even going to lie. I am so scared right now. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so it's saying that a little bit goes a long way. So I have sweat. I had to turn off my fan and I'm already nervous. Okay, so I have the bond. Oh wow, this is like so tiny. Okay, so it says a little goes a long way, so don't put a lot. And then it says to pick up the eyelashes using this thing, the applicator. Here they are, here they are. I'm gonna start with my left eye. I'm gonna use my right hand. Okay. Okay, so it kind of burns. I feel my eye watering because the chemical in this and my eyelashes are feeling kind of dry. So I'm not gonna go all the way through. I'm just gonna do it by part, because what if it dries out? Okay. Okay, so I have this. It says put it under. Okay, let's do the next one quick before it dries out. And put it okay, okay. Not too terrible. Oh, my eyelashes are so sticky. I guess I don't recommend touching them because then you're gonna get some clumps. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the bonding Ooh, I like that. Kind of just like it on just half, like, okay. Let me get closer. All right, now let's put some more. Oh, this one's coming out crooked. Oh. I need to use my finger. Oh, this didn't work out. Oh, snap. Where'd it go? Okay. I'm trying to align the lash to where the last one is. Ooh, this is getting complicated. Okay, this one's not perfect, but it worked. Well, I like it. I like it a lot. I would just stop there. All right, so I have 2 rows left. It looks like maybe the last one, the one closer to the inner on the plastic thingy, is smaller. So I'm gonna take this one to put it in the inside here. And I'm gonna stop there. Okay, something that I'm not liking. Since this glue thing is so strong, my natural eyelash is kind of crumpled up here. Like, I don't know if you can see. It's like here, like, yeah, that right there just doesn't look good for me. But here they are. You can see the lines. I don't know if the sealant will help with that or that's just inevitable, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Let's see what happens when we seal everything together. I don't know if you can see that. I accidentally took one of the eyelashes. Okay, so you cannot use the applicator to bond your lashes together because then this has glue and then this gets all messed up. Oh, okay, so the sealant, I did it wrong. So the sealant, I was actually only supposed to put it at the bottom to get rid of the stickiness and not necessarily to put it over the whole thing. My bad. Okay, so I'm done. I really like the way it looks. I like the idea. I think it's really, really cool. It's great. It looks really, it looks natural, right? From afar, I feel. There's some parts that I did a really good job, especially like on this side. I feel like on the end, that it just really blends in really well. I think on this side, I needed to make sure that that lash band, that line part, that I got it really close to my waterline, not on my waterline, but pretty close, so that you can see a lot less the the part where it's connected to my lashes, I feel like on this side it hides really well. It looks so much more natural on this side, you know, because this is my first time, this is my second time. That came out so much better. The sealant, I don't know how I feel about the sealant, because I don't like how this part it comes off white. Like you put it on and you see the white residue, so that didn't work for me too well. Especially the first time when I messed up, I wasn't supposed to put it through my whole lash. That's just to help get rid of the stickiness. But then when I put it here, the white residue got stuck to the glue part, the sticky part, when I just did it at the bottom, and it got white. So I had to like take it off with my finger. So I did go in with a mascara to try to like get rid of the white. I didn't put a lot, I definitely put a little bit. So a takeaway is, when using this, the Bond a little really does go a long way. I liked doing it in sections, so putting it in sections and then putting it on, just in case like it starts drying and it starts getting hard, and what if it doesn't, you know, stick on too well. So you come with 5 pieces, depending on your eye. If you need more, if you need all of them, or if you need less, I think that's a good amount. I didn't use all 5, I just used 4. So I used the outer 3 and then the 2 inner ones for the inner corner, because those are a little shorter. So yeah, but overall I like it. I would use it again. It was a lot faster than a strip lash, because I would still be trying to get it in as close to my lash line. So I like the naturalness of this. Yeah, I really like it because it fits in perfectly. Since you're putting it in under, this is actually really fitting in perfectly with your natural lashes. So it does give you that natural extension eye kind of look. Sorry, my thoughts are a little bit all over the place. But if I will be taking these off tonight, so I'll be coming back and showing you how I attempt to remove these eyelashes using their Falscara remover. So just one more time. This is the side that you could kind of see. This one is a lot more. Okay, so the final scoop. Do I like these? Yes, I actually really liked it. It wasn't so hard to take off. I was a little bit afraid of it being stuck to my eyelashes and having, what if I rip them off, lose the eyelashes? But so far that didn't even happen. The remover is definitely a must if you're planning on purchasing the Falscara kit. So thank you for watching my video. If you stayed up till the end, I really appreciate it. Please subscribe and like this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you for watching.